is the moment, tonight is the night.
Good morning to the one gentleman who always comments on the LUNC videos and is the reason why I haven't unstarted and have it on my watch list. I mean, technically, man, it does get views. Like, here, let me see, actually. Let's see. Like, you're not the only one that's still obviously showing interest in Luna Classic, right? So, I mean, 100 views at 180, 200, 170, 6 days ago, 100. So it is getting, you know, a couple hundred views here and there. So it's not completely dead. And just to put things into perspective, like there are some videos that I make that get like 20, 30 views, right? So the interest is there. I'm not obviously the, you know, #1 YouTuber or whatever, but you know, I do think that there's still content out there and people, like, it has a really big following. So there's some hope in for you. Now, with saying that, unfortunately, you're probably going to think that I'm going to say the same thing over and over again for years now. And that is true. I am. So it is still bearish under 407 to 301, which does coincide with this downtrend. You can see we've been dying since, you know, since over here on May 2022. You've been constantly making lower lows, lower highs, sorry. Arguably lower lows, right? I mean, technically you were establishing a floor here and then this anomaly happened. So I don't know how I feel about that too, because if we get price action over this previous floor, then that shows me that it's bullish. So technically if that, you know, black swan didn't happen, then you would still be consolidating at these levels, right? So we're just waiting to get back over this level. What I don't want to see is getting stuck at this previous support, because this was support, and use it as resistance and then actually make a lower low. That is extremely bearish if that happens. But regardless, if it doesn't, then our targets on the upside is still valid, which is around 62% to 145%. And what we really want to see, so the next time you know, every single week when I make my video, you guys really want to see the candle over this downtrend and over this box. So even if it's in this box, just don't get overly excited. Holders, don't get overly excited. Traders, congratulations, because whatever that percent that was, you have the opportunity to make profit. But for holders, you need to break this area. And once that breaks, then we could say, hey, it's going to the moon. Here are the targets on the upside. That's pretty much it for Luna Classic. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Of course, I will keep you updated. And thank you so much for your support.